What if I told you there are two AI tools that, working together, can run almost your entire YouTube channel? The research, the keywords, the script, the SEO, and the finished video, while you barely lift a finger? One tool is the brain. It figures out what to make, who wants it, and how to get it found. The other is the factory. It takes that plan and turns it into a polished, ready-to-upload video in minutes. Connect them, and you've built a content assembly line. Over the next hour, I'll walk you through the exact two-tool automation pipeline: TubeMagic for strategy and SEO, Pictory V2 for video production, step by step, no camera. No editing skills, just a system. Let's build the machine. Before we dive in, let me be honest with you, because that's the only way this works. Automation does not mean push a button and get rich. It means you remove the four things that kill most channels: not knowing what to make, bad SEO, slow script writing, and painful editing, so that your effort actually scales. You still steer the ship, the tools just row for you. This is for you if you want a YouTube income, but you hate being on camera. You have zero editing or SEO experience. You want a repeatable system, not a lucky viral hit, and you're ready to put in a few focused hours a week to build a real asset. If that's you, stay with me, because I'm about to show you how the brain and the factory connect. Here's the plan for the next hour, and watch to the end, because part 3 is where the two tools link into one seamless system, and that's where the magic actually happens. Part 1: how to find a profitable niche. Uncover the exact keywords people search, generate winning video ideas, and write SEO-optimized scripts, all with AI. Part 2: the factory. How to take that script and turn it into a finished, professional video with AI voiceovers, avatars, captions, and generative visuals in minutes. Part 3: the assembly line. How to connect both tools into a weekly workflow that batches, publishes, and scales into real revenue. Here's the mistake 90% of new creators make. They make a video first, then hope someone's searching for it. That's backwards. Winners find the demand first, then create the supply. TubeMagic flips your process the right way around. Niche research. Step 1: the niche. TubeMagic analyzes YouTube trends and competition to help you land on a niche that's profitable and sustainable, one you can produce endlessly and that advertisers actually pay well for. Keyword research. Step 2: keywords. This is your unfair advantage. TubeMagic shows you the exact search terms your audience is typing, the ones with real volume and beatable competition. You're no longer guessing what to make. You're making what people are already looking for. Video ideas and script. Step 3: the script. Feed it your winning keyword, and TubeMagic generates video ideas and writes a full script built around that search intent. Hook, body, structure, drafted for you in minutes. Now this is important. You don't publish the raw AI draft. You edit it, add your voice, your take, your story. AI gets you 80% there in 5 minutes. Your polish makes it yours and keeps your channel monetization safe. That combination is the whole game. Channel and video SEO. Step 4: SEO. TubeMagic doesn't stop at the script. It helps you craft the title, description, and tags engineered to rank, so every video you produce has the best shot at getting found, not buried. So now you've got a data-backed plan and a finished, SEO-ready script. But a script sitting in a doc doesn't earn a dime. You need to turn it into a video fast and at scale. That's where the factory comes in. Stay with me. This is where most people's channels used to die: the editing bottleneck. Filming, cutting, rendering, re-rendering. Pictory V2 removes it completely. Your input isn't a camera. It's the script TubeMagic just wrote. You paste your TubeMagic script straight into Pictory V2. It reads it, understands it, and automatically builds a scene-by-scene storyboard matching your words to relevant footage and visuals. The handoff between the two tools is the entire secret. Then, the voice. Pictory V2 gives you natural-sounding AI narration in a wide range of voices and languages. Type once, pick a voice, and it reads your script with real inflection. No mic, no retakes, no ums. AI avatars. Want a face on the channel without using your face? Pictory V2's AI avatars can present your script directly to camera, the trust of a real host, none of the on-camera anxiety. Captions and visuals. Then it polishes. Auto-synced captions critical because most people watch on mute plus generative AI images and library footage to make every scene look sharp. Add your branding, and you've got a professional video ready to upload. And here's the scale play. Because Pictory V2 supports multiple voices and languages, one winning video can be republished for entirely new audiences worldwide. One script from TubeMagic. Many videos from Pictory. Multiple income streams. So now you have the brain that plans and the factory that produces. Individually, they're powerful. Connected, they're a business. Let me show you how to wire them into one weekly assembly line. Here's the full pipeline, the exact loop that turns two tools into a repeatable content machine. The weekly workflow. Run this loop every week. TubeMagic. Pull 3. 5 proven, high search topics in your niche. TubeMagic. Generate and lightly edit the scripts. TubeMagic. Prep the SEO titles, descriptions, tags. Pictory V2. Drop each script in and produce the videos. Publish and schedule consistent uploads. Repeat and let the winners tell you what to make next. That's the power of the combo. The brain feeds the factory feeds your channel, and your channel feeds the algorithm. Consistency is what YouTube rewards, and now you can be consistent without burning out. And how does this pay you? More ways than one. YouTube ad revenue once you're in the partner program. Affiliate marketing recommend tools like these and earn commissions. Sponsorships as your niche audience grows. Your own digital products, courses, templates, ebooks, repurposing to Shorts, Reels, and TikTok with Pictory to multiply reach. I know what you're thinking. How do I start this week? And what does it cost? Let me answer both right now. Your first week action plan. Day 1, 2. In TubeMagic, lock your niche and pull your first winning keywords. Day 3. Generate and edit your first 3 scripts plus SEO. Day 4, 5. Build all 3 videos in Pictory V2. Day 6. Finalize titles, descriptions, and thumbnails. Day 7. Publish your first video. Schedule the rest. On cost. Both tools run on affordable tiers. TubeMagic has entry plans covering keyword research and scripting, and Pictory V. 2 scales from basic editing up to generative AI visuals and longer exports. Combined, most people start in the range of roughly $50, $200 a month, depending on how hard they scale. Compare that to hiring a researcher, a scriptwriter, an SEO specialist, and a video editor. This is the cheapest content team you'll ever assemble, and it never sleeps. Real talk on expectations. This is a business, and businesses compound over months, not overnight. But the risk is tiny. You can test both tools, cancel anytime, and you're only risking a little effort and a few dollars against the upside of a content asset that pays you for years. Fast answers to your top questions. Do I need tech skills? No. If you can copy from TubeMagic and paste into Pictory, you can run this. Can an AI-assisted channel monetize? Yes, as long as you add real value and edit for quality. Low-effort spam won't cut it. A genuine channel will. Why 2 tools instead of 1? Because each is best in class at its job. TubeMagic for strategy and SEO, Pictory for production. Together, they cover the whole pipeline. So here's where you stand. You now have the full 2-tool automation system, the brain that plans, and the factory that produces. A year from now, you'll either have a growing, semi-automated channel that pays you, or you'll wish you'd started today. The machine is built. All that's missing is you turning it on. Start your automation pipeline today. TubeMagic and Pictory V2 links are in the description below. Grab both, follow the 7-day plan, and publish your first video this week. I'll see you on the other side.